You will see the importance of a person when that person is out of your life for good. When you have got a good friend, husband, or a wife, you have to treat those people well, because sometimes when those people are out of your life for good, you regret one day, and maybe it's history to you that I have got a good husband. My husband was used to treat me well, what. But at that time, we have got your husband, you don't appreciate most of the time. We are always complaining. Learn to appreciate your partner, even the small things. Even you have got a good friend, your friend is supporting you, giving you good advices. Sometimes we have to appreciate small things that your friend is doing for you. Even that person is in low standard, but that person, when you are in bad times, that person comfort you. It's very difficult to find a friend who support you, or to find a husband who spoil you, or a wife who take care of you. So sometimes when we have got that person, don't take the goodness of that person for granted. You have to appreciate other people in your life, because once you lose, especially once you lose that person, it's very difficult to find a good person in your life. So sometimes don't take the person, like, maybe to treat like a trash or something, because one day you will regret in your life.